Fusilli with fresh pomodoro. Long, twisty pasta with fresh tomatoes and ricotta cheese.
I have never grated a tomato before.
Well, the tomatoes here are so fantastic. It's so much lighter and prettier and smells so much better
the smell is...
when you grate them and hand grating them rather than putting them in any kind of food processor because the heat will change the texture and flavor of the tomatoes. I'm gonna take a break from this and just season my pasta water and add this pasta. So,
Fusilli col buco. That's really the traditional pasta from here.
right. So look at this. Look how pretty these are. They're nice and long. They look like fusilli, and you can break them up and make them into fusilli. They're a little bit skinnier. I know I'm not gonna
real fusilli. Don't break them up.
I'm saying, but you could if you wanted to. That's all I was saying. Usually, I'll put a couple of garlic cloves.
Lo metti a crudo?
Smash and peel, yeah. And I do about 3, and then I pull them out.
Metto dentro il
tomato
sugo?
flesh done. I was gonna put it straight in the pan.
Okay.
A little olive oil, actually a lot, a 1/4 cup. There we go. Great. You want to snip some basil? We need lots of basil. All right, it's ready for the tomatoes, darling.
Il basilico lo mettiamo all'ultimo momento?
Well, we're gonna add the tomatoes and we're gonna add the basil. There we go. Some salt to this. There we go, let that cook down,
Come lo vuoi il
basically.
basilico?
I just like it whole. You wanna
Really
grab some
good.
ricotta and put it in there?
Yep.
Here's a spoon. You decide how much ricotta to add. I don't usually add ricotta cheese in this, only Parmesan cheese. Why do you like to add the ricotta?
Because it makes it really creamy. It's just that this ricotta here is so good.
Oh yeah, no, I know. There's nothing like it. All we have left at this point is the fusilli and the parmigiano. You want to get yourself all situated? We're ready to grate parmigiano?
Sure. A little bit more parmigiano.
Ready for the pasta. Let's see here. Should we taste the pasta and make sure we're good? Let's go. Here we go. Give me a second, give me a second. These are little curly cues. In fact, this is about the curliness of my hair when I was a kid. Yeah, not curly. Go, Giraffe, go. Oh my gosh, that smells good. You ready? Oh, make it look so pretty.
Now we're ready.
All right, I'm gonna give you a fork.
Vuoi un piatto?
Well, let's taste it first. Make sure we don't need any more Parmesan cheese. Then we shall put it on some plates and go eat like civilized ladies.